Okay. With the holidays just around the corner, I'm going to show you how I make my eggnog French toast. Okay, so I like to use the Thomas swirl. I like the non-raisin kind. And that's it. Close up of the bread. And what I like to do, the reason why I like to use this is just because the cinnamon is already baked in the bread. Well, there you go. Another. Jeez. Okay. Well, there goes that. Video now, me being clumsy. Okay. Anyways, so what I like to do is I'll get a piece of bread, and I will take 1 egg, crack it into the bowl. Then I get eggnog. I like the Nudson's kind. Nudson's, not sure how to say it. I get, I'm gonna do about 2 servings worth, so I'll do half a cup instead of a 1/4 cup. A little bit more. I'm actually gonna do 2 eggs instead, just so I have enough. I'm gonna make that whole loaf today. I'm making it for 3 people. And I just want to have leftovers. And last but not least, take some cinnamon. I like to put a little extra. And take a fork. Whisk it. Make sure to really whisk it good so you can get the eggs really beaten. Kind of want it to become like an even consistency. You don't want it to be all clumpy. So I still see the yellow in the yolk. That means that it's not fully mixed yet, so you just really want to just get everything mixed in really well. Still a little yellow here. Break that up. Alright, now that's pretty well mixed. Then you're going to want to heat your pan. So this stove is an old stove and it only has literally 1 temperature, but that's okay. Work around it. So I'm going to start it on high, but I'm going to turn it down a little bit the best I can. It will shut off if it gets lower than the high on this one, but I suggest if you have like regular to do like about on medium heat, so that way it's like you could bake at a lower rate without burning your French toast. And then I like to take some butter, and I will put a slice of the butter. Melt in there. And then the fun part, you will take your toast. I'm going to transfer this into a shallow pan so that way it's easier to just flip the toast in. So, I'm going to take the bread, and you're just going to want to really just soak it. Make sure you get a coat on each side, you don't want it to be dry. And then, you put it into the pot. Hear that baby sizzle. Kind of want to melt that butter around it. Then, just kind of let it sit for a little bit so it can kind of toast on both sides. Check it. So it's still raw, so you want it to be toasty brown on each side. So let this cook a little bit more. Check the flame because it kind of died a little. I just cook it so it's golden brown on each end, on each side of it. So it's still raw. You just gotta let it cook a bit. You can hear that baby sizzle. Jingle them bells and frolic home. Let's sing and dance. Cheer. It's the best time of the year. The best day of the year. Yes, it is the best day of the year. What I like to do is once I'm done with the French toast, I'll put just a little piece of butter on top with some powdered sugar and syrup. And that completes the whole toast. Let's see. That's what you want right there. You want golden brown toast. Let's let the other side cook. Again, you just want to keep checking it periodically, make sure that it's not burning but browning. Put the other side a little bit more, so it's still a little bit soggy in the middle, so you want it nice and crispy. It. And just want to top it off with a piece of butter, which I will do now. And try to grab that out, but sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar on top. I don't have a sifter, but the spoon is good enough to use. Okay, so you top it off with butter and a little bit of powdered sugar and syrup, and it's good to go. That's how I make my eggnog French toast. Perfect for the holiday season. And that completes this video. Thanks for watching.